Hi guys, this is another lesson plan. This is the lesson plan of class 8. Topic is living in the age of Google. So guys, what you have to do to write lesson plan, you can observe here. First of all, name of the school, date, period, time, class, section, subject, topic. You have to understand guys, general objective, specific objective. In general objective, you have to write what the students will learn after studying English. As you can see, I have written here. And in a specific objective, you will write what students will learn after studying the topic. The topic is living in the age of Google. That means what students will learn after studying living in the age of Google topic. So you can see I have written here few points about it in a specific objective. Next is here teaching learning materials. So what teaching learning materials I have used here, you can see chalk, duster, blackboard, book, etc. And then after previous knowledge of students, so students have basic information or knowledge about the chapter living in the age of Google. Now comes here introduction, that means introductory question. Then you have to plan here very well that which type of questions should be asked. That means firstly simple questions so that students can answer. Then from simple to complex you have to go here. Then after comes announcement of topic. I have written today we shall study about living in the age of Google, or you can also write today children we shall study about living in the age of Google. So now ahead you can see guys, in teaching points you have to write first about the chapter, and in a student teachers activity see what I have written about the chapter. Then after model reading, imitation reading, and these are students activity है तो क्या when the teacher is explaining or teaching, the students will listen carefully to the teacher. And which method I have used is explanation method, and in blackboard book I have written living in the age of Google. So like this model reading comes. When model reading is there, then students will listen to the teacher carefully. Then imitation reading comes. In imitation reading, the students will read the passage with correct pronunciation, intonation, and stress. Then after pronunciation drills, and so exposition of difficult words, silent reading, explanation of the chapter. And then here evaluation. I have not written evaluation, but you will write evaluation here. Evaluation means evaluation question you have to write. And lastly guys, here comes recapitulation, then after homework. So guys, this is how you will make the lesson plan in English.